Hello traders, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new free video in which I will give you an update on euro dollar. So if you're following our free analysis on the site, or if you're our member, then you will know that we highlighted this rally on euro dollar as corrective. Okay, so either we were looking for a flat correction or maybe even a triangle a few weeks back. And obviously we see a free wave structure, so we are now looking at a flat correction. And in our free webinar around 3 weeks back, we highlighted in our educational part that flat is actually a 3-3-5 pattern, where wave A is structured by 3 legs, wave B also by 3 legs, and then you will see a 5-wave rally for wave C. In a triangle, the first 2 legs are equal, so the question at the time was if we will see a 5-wave advance or maybe just a corrective. So if we take a look on this euro now, then you can clearly see here that this was a 3-wave move. First leg from the low, then we got a 3 waves down, and then we are now able to count a 5 waves up. Okay, so I see a 3-3-5 structure, which means that this could be a flat. Now, even if you would be tracking some different wave counts, maybe you think that this is wave 1, wave 2, and you expect higher levels, then you would still expect some kind of a pullback because you have 5 waves up. After every 5 waves, correction will follow. So I think that we are at late stages of this leg, which means that trend will turn, but the question is if we will get an impulsive sell-off or just a free wave decline. In either case, I think that euro gains are limited, because here on a daily chart I can see that wave 4 is trading at the area of a former wave 4, which was a triangle, so we are at the termination point of a blue wave 4. We are also at 38.2% compared to wave 3 distance. So all in all, I think that euro is facing some significant levels here from where a new trend change should occur. Now, always for a trend change you need a catalyst, and tomorrow, as you know, our non-farm payrolls report. For recent months there were a lot of bad data for the US, so it may be a time for some good news from the US, and definitely a strong non-farm payrolls report would make dollar very strong. Most likely the euro dollar would then sell off. On the 4-hour chart, as you can see, this is now also very interesting, because if we take a look on FIP levels, you can see that wave 5 is now running into some significant resistance levels, 261.8% extension of this red wave 1. Then we have also equality level of wave 5 to wave 1, measured of course from a wave 4 low, that comes in around 1.1390, actually at latest swing high. Also, then you have here 61.8% taken from this wave 3 distance measured from a wave 4 swing low, and then also you have this 161.8% extension of this blue wave A. Okay, so we have significant resistance, feeble resistance levels here around 1.14, and as I said, if we also respect this 38.2 and former wave 4 on a daily chart, then we definitely should be aware of a potential reversal to the downside. But now the question is what kind of trader you are. Will you be a top picker, or will you wait on a bearish turn? For now, trend is definitely still up. Usually I will take a look on moving averages, and I can see here on the 4-hour that we are well above this 50-period moving average, which means the trend is up. So definitely I want to see firstly a reaction to the downside before I can consider that wave 5 here on the 4-hour chart is complete, okay, and that we will see a turn to the downside. So for now, be patient, but as it stands right now, I definitely would not be looking for any new longs here. Okay, the opportunity was at the start of the week in this wave 4, when this pullback found a support at the old highs. Okay, so this actually, here was a breakout point. Then we got what, 300 pip rally or 200 pips to the upside, and then a nice pullback toward this region, and then a bounce. So this was actually your area for long opportunity, but now I think it would be too late. So definitely, even if trend goes to the upside to further levels, okay, let it run, but I definitely expect some kind of a retracement from here. Okay, but ideally we will see an impulsive fashion. Okay, traders, that's it for me for today, and I will catch you with new free video and few free charts in days ahead. Have a good day.